Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Maybe you've seen some of our Benchmade knife videos in the past, but this video is a little bit different. So Benchmade offers a line of tools to help maintain your knife and its blade. These accessories include the following. So it includes the Guided Field Sharpener. This is going to create a great edge to your blade. It comes with an edge maintenance tool, so you can do some basic maintenance, a little bit of sharpening to it. This is going to be your main two sharpener. So we have a 14 degree and 20 degree guided hone tool. So this is just going to kind of zero in that edge on your blade and keep that maintained. So I'm going to move those out of the way. So it comes, you can also buy the Blue Lube cleaner, and that's going to get all the dust and dirt and grime off your knife, your Blue Lube lubricant, and the Blue Box toolkit, so you can take your knife apart to get that cleaned and lubed back up. Also, just we'll note that you can use this to take off the scales and whatnot if you want to go with like custom scales like Flightanium, which we carry. We also carry Glow Rhino. For a couple Benchmade knives, Glow Rhino has tritium built into one of the scales, so it glows in the dark, so you could see your knife at night. So just a little throw out to the accessories here and to the toolkit and what it will do for other products that we carry. So make sure that you subscribe right now to our channel. Please like and share the video. That's huge for us. And if you want to know more prices on these items, please look in the comments below and I'll have all that information plus a link to our website. Thank you for watching.